Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing in Windows 11. Let's go start. Press the Windows key and type in the control panel, and click on Control Panel into the search bar. Then click on Network and Sharing Center, click on Internet Options, click Advanced, then click on Restore Advanced Settings, click Apply and OK click. Close. Press Windows key plus R. Type services.msc in the open box, and then click OK. Select the standard view, and find the Wlan Auto Config from the list. Right-click on Wlan Auto Config, and go to Restart from menu. Double-click on Wlan Auto Config and select Automatic from the Startup Type menu, then apply OK. Right-click on the Windows icon. Go to Computer Management and select from the Context menu. Then click on Device Manager. Then click on Network Adapters, right-click on the Wireless LAN drivers, and select Update Driver from Menu option. Then click on Next. Wait for the wireless LAN to update. Check it. Close. Press the Windows key and type in the Control Panel, and click on Control Panel into the search bar. Then click on Network and Sharing Center. Then click on Change Adapter Settings, and we have found the Wi-Fi drivers. Do you see the Wi-Fi option, and do you try to connect? If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon click, and see your next updated video.